Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola Moto G51, and today I will show you how you can record your screen on this phone. So to get started, let's pull down our notification panel, expand it, and look for the toggle, which for me looks to be on a second page right over here. So once you find it, simply tap on it, select start. This will give you an overlay right over here, and it starts recording in 3 seconds once you press it. So whatever you'll do right now will be recorded by the device. I'm going quickly to the overlay. We have microphone, camera, which basically uses the front camera right here, as you can see. We can enable the microphone so it listens to us. We can start drawing on the screen, and we can also pause the video and stop it. I'm gonna stop it for now, which will automatically save it into my gallery application, or photos in this case. So once you open it up, you should find it somewhere in here. Yes, let's navigate to library. Whoops. Library, and I'm looking for screenshots. Oh, there we go, screenshots. And there's our screen recording, and there is our video. So there we go. That is how you would record your screen, and if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe.